This supplementary material shows video footage of demonstrations and experiments conducted in this work. Here we show all tested cases hopping forward on level flat surfaces. Here we show all tested cases hopping forward on rough terrain. Here we show all tested cases hopping forward on stairs tall terrain. Here we show all tested cases hopping forward on stairs short terrain. Here we show all tested cases hopping forward on compliant terrain. Here we show a zoomed out view of all tested cases hopping forward on level flat surfaces. During single drop trials, the evolution of energy was recorded at 1000 Hz for 1 second from a variety of sensor channels. Reflex energy was measured from the apex of rebound of a powered hop and adjusted by measurement from a hop with motor shaft fixed, labeled as the baseline. The baseline was subtracted from the powered measurement to negate the effect of passive rebound. A boundary was used to alter gravity constant. Repeated hopping tests were used to measure the consistency of trajectories across gravitational constants. Here we show all tested cases hopping straight up and down under varying commanded motor torque set points or motor speed set point. Thank you for watching.